Welcome back, everyone. Jim here. Well, today Linda and I has been kind of busy. First off, we used our leveling transit to determine the height of this back row. And as I'd mentioned before, the lowest part of the whole building was the back side on the left. The post that's sitting on that back side left is just over 1 foot tall. And then all the posts that we've put on here so far, you can tell how the ground slopes off to the right because the posts are all a little bit longer. And of course it depends on how deep we got the cement base too. And while I'm on the cement base, personally, these concrete piers, 5 foot high, 16-inch base, were just over $100 a piece. To me, that was far better than buying sauna tubes, digging a hole to sink those, cutting them off whatever height you want, and then sitting all day mixing cement and filling them full of cement. These were $100 a piece, and I dug the hole. Well, you had to dig the hole anyway, so to me, those were a better deal. But to each his own if you want to pour sauna tubes. So anyway, that's my 5 cents worth. I told somebody that I give my 2 cents worth to somebody the other day, and I'll be damned if they didn't give me change. Anyway, so those are all set across the top, and they're level. And now we're going to bring up a 16-footer because we want to rest it. Nothing's been screwed yet, and we'll just see how it looks and how it fits. So I'll be back in a moment as soon as we get that up here. All right, so we use the tractor to bring the first 16-footer up. We've got it temporarily attached. I'd like to get all three on there before we get to any kind of final position. But there's the 16-footer. It's square at the corners. The posts are upright, and the level shows flat on level. So we're going to continue, but I wanted you to see this part. And we'll get another one up there, and then I'll be back. Okay, so we're going to bring the other one up. Another two, actually.
Come in! Come on. Come in. What? Come in. Come in. Come in. Come in. Come in. around the rest of it.
Yep.
Square her up.
Square them up.
Are you gonna move that back, honey, out of the way?
No, I want that there to catch it in the fall.
Up. All right.
Safety. Safety first. Keep the forks under it. That way, if it happens to fall, we catch it.
You want your famous
So that's pretty much how we do it. The middle one looks, I'll have to throw some shims under that, but otherwise, other than that, it looks like it's come out pretty close. How's the level? Right on the money. It did cut short though. We'll need to put a shim in there. I'll bring some shims out. All right, we're going to secure it down, and I'll show you us putting the last one up.
Square and square and square.
Yep,
So
square
much fun.
everything. All right, so there's the 3/16s, 16 footers all together. The whole top come out really level. The only thing we need to do is put some bracing because it's leaning towards the house a little bit. And as soon as we get that braced up, then we'll be able to permanently screw everything down. Boy, quite a job. Went easier than I thought. And again, the joist, the 2x10 joist, when this perimeter is all done with these 6x6, the joist will sit on top of here. Okay. And when we have more bracing, it will be just a little bit straighter. It's fairly straight now, but I mean it needs to, like I said, the whole thing needs to tip to the left just a little bit. It's been a good day.